Hello everyone, welcome to my class. In today's video, I am going to start another new name reaction, that is Kolbe electrolysis. Kolbe electrolysis is the reaction or is the method which is used to prepare some alkene or alkyne, can say that hydrocarbon, by the electrolysis of aqueous solution of sodium or potassium salt of suitable acid. Or in short, you can say that Kolbe electrolysis is used for the preparation of alkane by the salt of acid. Important thing is methane can't be prepared by the Kolbe electrolysis process. So the smallest hydrocarbon or alkane which can be prepared by the Kolbe electrolysis is ethane. So we will focus on the formation of ethane. Formation of ethane. For the ethane formation, we need electrophile. So for the ethane formation, electrolyte. We need electrolyte, and for the formation of ethane, electrolyte is potassium acetate. For the electrolysis process, first we have to take one container and two electrode. The two electrode, one should be anode and another will be cathode. And anode is connected to the positive end of the battery and the cathode is connected to negative end of the battery. That's why anode is positive plate and cathode is negative plate. Now at anode, oxidation takes place and at cathode, reduction takes place. If we add this electrolyte, potassium acetate into the water, here electrolyte, potassium acetate and water present in the container, in the solution. If we add potassium acetate into the water, then it will ionize into acetate ion and potassium ion. It will ionize into acetate ion and potassium ion. As we know, pure water is unionized, but if we add acetate ion, potassium acetate into the water, then it will ionize into H plus and OH minus. Now, water is split into ionized into H plus and OH minus. Now, we have two negative ion and two positive ion. So, at anode, oxidation takes place. Anode is the positive terminal. So, one of the negative ion get deposit into the anode plate. But the reduction potential of OH minus is very high. That's why acetate ion get deposit on this. Means oxidation of acetate ion takes place at the anode. Similarly, we have two positive ion, that is potassium ion and H plus, but the reduction potential of potassium ion is very high. That's why H plus deposited on the cathode plates. That means at the cathode plate, the reduction of H plus takes place. Now, come to the anode reaction. At anode, oxidation takes place. Oxidation. At anode, oxidation takes place. Oxidation means loss of electron. Loss of electron. So, at anode, we have acetate ion. If we focus on the formation of ethane, then we need two molecule of carbon, that is 2 mole carbon. That's why we take 2 molecule of acetate ion. Here oxidation takes place, that means loss of electron. If we have 2 molecule of acetate, that means loss of 2 electron and form 2 molecule of acetate radical. Acetate radical, if we take 2 molecule of acetate radical, we focus on the mechanism, then this oxygen is electron deficient molecule and the electronegativity of oxygen is very high. So the difference between the electronegativity of carbon and oxygen is very high. So this carbon is attached to 2 oxygen atom. Both the oxygen withdraw electron toward itself, and this carbon is electron deficient center. So this carbon withdraw its electron, 1 electron toward itself, and the remaining 1 electron shifted to this methyl group. Here homolytic cleavage takes place. Now 1 electron of this carbon and 1 electron of this carbon leads to form a single bond, that is pi bond, and form 2 molecule of CO2, and here 2 molecule of methyl free radical left. If these 2 methyl free radical combine with each other and then form 2 molecule of, that is 2 molecule of CH3, or you can say that ethane, that is C2H6. So at anode there are formation of 2 gases, that is ethane gas and the carbon dioxide gas. Now this is the mechanism for anode. Now come to cathode. At cathode, oxidation takes place. Reduction takes place. At cathode, reduction takes place. Here we have 2 positive ion, but the reduction potential of potassium is very high. So hydrogen ion get reduced at cathode. Now H plus accept 1 electron and form H. Similarly, here if we take 2 molecule of acetate, so 2 molecule of water, so here also 2H plus, then accept 2 electron and we get 2 molecule of hydrogen atom, and both the hydrogen atom combine and form H2 gas. If acetate ion form ethane gas and carbon dioxide, and H plus form H2 gas. Now after the completion of reaction we have potassium and OH minus, potassium ion and OH minus ion in the medium. That means after the reaction, the remaining ion is K plus and OH minus. The both ion combine with each other and form KOH. That means after the completion of reaction, the solution is basic because the remaining ion in the solution is K plus and OH minus, and both the ions combine and form KOH, that is potassium hydroxide. This is the complete Kolbe electrolysis process. And with the help of Kolbe electrolysis process, we prepare some alkane, alkene and alkynes. Now that's all. Thank you.